Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set walking hours in Finch. Finch is your interactive virtual pet app that helps you stay mindful, track habits and manage your daily routines while caring for your very own Finch pet. And today we're going to show you how to set walking hours for your Finch pet so it can stay active and healthy even when you're not on the go. So first you need to open to your Finch app and make sure you have your Finch app on your device and you have logged into your account. And once you reach into this dashboard of the Finch, in the top left you can see there's a three-lined icon. Tap on this three-lined icon, and once you reach into this interface, scroll a bit down until you find the preferences under the account. Select the preferences here and scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find this walking hours. Select this walking hours here, and here you can set your walking hours for your wake up time and your sleep time as per your preferences, and simply select an update. And here after you're done, select save, and that is it. Once you have selected the desired walking hours, your Finch will now follow this walking schedule automatically, helping it stay happy and active. And that is it. You have successfully set walking hours for your Finch pet by managing its daily routine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.